Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a basic mandala. So before we start, I just thought of let you know what is actually a mandala. So mandala is basically sets of circle or asymmetric shapes that are all organized around a single central point. And mandala has its meaning both external level and at an internal level. So external mandala is the representation of universe, and internally it's a guide to meditation. And on a personal level, that is for me, mandala making mandala is doing something for achieving mental peace. And while I make mandala, it's like I'm just enjoying myself and my me time with the making process. So that's about the mandala and its impact in my life. I think we should straightly go to the video. So let's get to the video.
Let's start making a mandala on A4 sheet. We will need a pencil, eraser, compass, scale, and a protector. Firstly, I'll make two lines joining the opposite corners of the sheet. The points at which the lines intersect, that will be the midpoint of our mandala. Using that midpoint and a compass, we will start creating the circles. There is no specific distance between each circles. I'm randomly creating circles as per my choice. Now, by using a protector, I'll divide the overall circle in an interval of 15 degree. After dividing at both the side of the square, now I'll start joining the all the dots so that my overall mandala circle is divided into equal parts. Now the base of our mandala drawing is ready. Here I'm using the micron pen for making mandalas. The core of the mandala should be more dense in comparison to the outer version. The dense design at the mid of the mandala will give more intense look to the overall mandala drawing. I'm just randomly making designs and filling up the each circle of the overall mandala. That's how my core looks like. Now I'll give more space in creating design at the outer surface of this overall mandala. Now to make thick lines at the outer side, I am using a bold marker for that. I'll just erase all the unwanted lines that are showing up. And our basic mandala is now ready.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you make it, please make sure to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @the Quirky Bliss, and I'll meet with you guys with another video next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.